Hi, my name is Bill Burns. I'm one of the FSRs providing HVAC technical support here at Wolff Brothers Supply. These short video tech tips are based on questions from you, the technicians in the field. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates and tips. Here we are installing a fresh air options module. This board is used for controlling the economizer. This board is located in a little wedge-shaped compartment near the economizer. And this black cable here is from the economizer. We're just going to go blue plug to blue plug. And then connect the black plug up. Then the only thing we have left is the IMC cable. We're going to plug that in. Then we need to address the board here in a minute. But one of the biggest questions we get is this purple plug. What is it? By far the number one call I get when someone's installing a fresh air options module is, where does this purple plug go? Well, this purple plug is actually the high voltage cable for the power exhaust option. So if you're doing a simple dry bulb economizer, or you don't have a power exhaust option, then you just let it hang. That plug does nothing for you. Now, the last thing we need to do to put this fresh air options module into service is to address the board. It's done here on these little dials. The options board, fresh air options board, is always addressed to 76. So setting the address on the Symbio options modules is pretty simple, but there are a couple things to look out for. The boards aren't always mounted in the upright normal position, I guess you could say. Sometimes they're mounted horizontally or vertically. Sometimes they're turned upside down. But as you look in the photo, you see the two switches there, the two dials, and the zeros are positioned at the top. If you squint really hard at the side, the one on the left, you'll see it says SW1 and SW2 for the one on the right. But as long as the zeros are positioned on the top when you set it, you're in the right position to set your address. So once you set your address, and as you can see in the photo, it's set for 76, then you have to cycle power to the unit. Once power is restored, the Symbio 700 UC recognizes the address of that board and starts communicating with it. That's going to conclude today's video. We thank you for watching. If you have any problems or any questions, feel free to call Ed Rundle in Medina, Tim Lane in Columbus, Corey Bosworth in Akron, or myself, Bill Burns, in Sandusky.